Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G for Straight Talk. So this is a new phone for Straight Talk. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on Straight Talk, the Galaxy A53 is worth taking a look at here. It's available now for $259.99. So pretty good price for it. The model number is S536DL, and it is available in black there. So very nice looking phone here. So let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy A53 5G here. So you guys have the phone right there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. I know that's hard to see here because it is a black color, so I think your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone there. And then on the back of the Galaxy A53 5G is your camera. So you guys have 4 cameras, camera flash, and you do have a little camera bump there, so be mindful of that. And you got your Samsung logo and whatnot. So pretty nice looking phone. And yeah. You got 4 cameras. One of them is a ultra wide camera, I think a macro lens, probably a telephoto lens, I'm not really sure. But overall pretty nice looking phone. And you guys can pay $10 a month for the phone if you guys want to do that, or it's $259.99 for a retail price. I don't know why it's grayed out here, but yeah, I don't get why it's grayed out. I don't understand that. It's kind of weird. So here are the features of the Galaxy A53 here. I know that the text looks a little confusing there. I will try to make it less confusing for you out here. So it says here, introducing the Galaxy A53 5G, indulge in 6.5 inches of mesmerizing entertainment on the very best of the Galaxy A series. Alright, Galaxy A53 5G experience and full HD experience and full HD plus. It's supposed to be experience a full HD plus display, Super AMOLED screen for a crystal clear view, stereo speakers for a surround sound feel, and a long-lasting battery for streaming your favorite content. Plus, keeping up with your people and virtually lag-free, everything you love all in one. So yeah, and then next to that, you guys will see there it says a service plan card is required for activation. No shit. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. I don't know why they have to do that twice, but yeah, whatever. You can text SAS 536DL to 611-611 for mobile tutorials if you guys are interested in that or whatever. Okay, scratch that. Your micro SD card and SIM card slot, I think, is on the top of the phone, bottom of the phone. That's where your micro SD and SIM card slot is. I thought it was on the left side, but it's not, because you guys can see that right here is the left side of the phone, and you guys don't see nothing. So I'm assuming that your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on either the top of the phone or the bottom of the phone there. Alright, so that's the phone there on front, left side, and back. Very nice looking phone. And what do you know? They don't have no specs on this phone. I don't know why. If you guys want to get specs on this phone, I suggest you guys check the second link. I'll try to get the official specs for this phone. I don't know why Straight Talk does not have specs for this phone. But we do know that it has a 6.5 inch display, Full HD plus, big battery. I think it has Android 12 on it. It's 4 cameras and stuff like that. So I will put the link to the full list of specs for the Galaxy A53 5G. So check those out. Alright. So what's in the box is, y'all guys do get the Galaxy A53 5G smartphone, of course, the charger, the battery, which is embedded in the phone. Obviously, that's pretty much standard now. Services guide and quick start guide there. They will give us some more features of the phone here. Connect your products, connect your Galaxy. Perfectly pair your Galaxy devices and Android. Going from talk. Yeah. It says perfectly pair your Galaxy devices and easily. Yeah. Let me read that again. 3 times the term. Perfectly pair your Galaxy devices and enjoy going from task to task without stopping to connect. So pretty cool there. Powerful performance, impressive speed. The powerful performance can keep up with the speed of your life. Slim shape, durable design. Don't let the slender design fool you. The Galaxy A53 5G is built to stand up to little oopsies. Alright. Smart camera, share-worthy shots. Capture crystal clear memories with just one tap of the just one tap with Galaxy A53 5G intelligent camera. Your battery can now keep up. With the long-lasting, super fast charging battery, you can get more done without taking a break to charge. Edge-to-edge display, endless entertainment. Galaxy A53 5G, incredible color clarity makes you feel close to the action. So, very cool there. So, yeah, so the Galaxy A53 is now here at Straight Talk. It's available now for $259.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on Straight Talk, the Galaxy A53 is worth taking a look at here. It does have very nice features and specs. It does have pretty good specs on this phone. Trust me, you can trust me on that. It has great specs on this phone for what it is. I will have the links to the specs in the second link down below, so check those out for the full specs on the phone. Don't know why Straight Talk does not have specs for this phone. Don't know why. It makes no fucking sense. But if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on Straight Talk, the Galaxy A53 is worth checking out. Like I said, it's available now for $259.99 or $10 a month if you guys want to pay it monthly. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.